EA320F Outdoor Front Desk Service LED Display. High-brightness SMD packaging technology makes the EagerLED outdoor fixed LED display screen more vivid and smooth when in use. Comprehensive front-facing outdoor maintenance. Outdoor LED modules, power supplies, receiving cards, hub cards, and cables are all provided at the front end, and the connection irons installed in the box are also provided at the front end. Efficient cooling. There are 4 fans inside each cabinet, allowing the Eager outdoor fixed LED display to cool down instantly. The ventilation volume is 6.6 cubic meter per minute, and the air in the cabinet circulates 25 times per minute.